If you work in Adobe Lightroom and want a faster, smoother editing workflow, Smart Previews are one of the best features to understand. In this video, I'm going to show you how Smart Previews work in Lightroom Desktop, how to enable the right cache settings, and how to keep performance running efficiently while you edit. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple Lightroom tips and software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, it helps to understand what Smart Previews actually do. Lightroom uses your cloud-based originals, but it can also keep local cached versions of your files on your computer. That means you can continue working more smoothly, especially when your internet connection is slow or when you want faster access to your images. In many cases, Lightroom automatically keeps these smart cached versions in the background, so you do not need to manually create them every time. To check the settings in Lightroom Desktop, open the app and go to Edit, then Preferences, and then click Cache. This is where you can manage how Lightroom handles stored preview data on your device. Once you are in the Cache section, look for the option that says Store a copy of all Smart Preview locally. Make sure this option is enabled. Turning this on helps Lightroom save local Smart Preview data, which improves speed and makes browsing and editing feel much more responsive. Next, set your cache size. If you edit a lot of photos, a larger cache can help Lightroom keep more preview data available on your machine. That means less waiting, faster image loading, and better overall performance. If you are working on a smaller drive, choose a size that fits your storage space, but keep the cache enabled whenever possible for the best results. After that, just let Lightroom do its thing. It will continue managing smart cached versions automatically as you work. That is one of the biggest advantages of Smart Previews. They reduce the need to constantly load full files from the cloud every time you click on an image. So the simple workflow is this. Open Lightroom, go to Edit, Preferences, Cache, enable store a copy of all Smart Preview locally, adjust your cache size, and keep cache enabled for faster performance. That's really all you need to get started. If you want a quicker Lightroom experience and fewer slowdowns while editing, Smart Previews are definitely worth using. If this video helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more easy Lightroom tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.